And auntie, then I can go to and be like,
Oh, look at the giraffe.
we sat there and they were like, no, let's just wait for the food. It's just fries. I can't have that time. In this village, where are you going to get somebody to? Luckily, I was so sad because I had my time. I was leading to a lace man.
You're in a forest.
Yeah.
In the jungle.
In the jungle.
Mighty jungle.
Where I don't even understand the language you speak over here.
The long
So right now I'm a foreigner in my own land.
And I'm just hearing stuff in the bushes. Right. Are we there yet? Still in the forest. So the water is cold.
The Ashantis were the last people that they actually
There's something in the bushes.
Yeah.
What is this? Oh Lord. Pray we make it out of here alive. Because an hour of trekking. See, they could have so many nice, like, cute little shops over here. Wow, like, seriously? Stuff like this. To have drinks. And it's cool. Wow, so pretty. But you mind?
Me, I don't mind.
They're laughing at me because I say it again. Sukepe. Si cho pe. Si cho pe. What's your name? Over here scared to go in the water. And they're having the time of their lives. They're wetting me! Mijo? The US. The United States. Wait, hold on. I didn't come this way. But I guess we could walk this way, right? They need to rinse off anyway. Right? Why do you keep laughing at me? This one laughing at my English. She's a villager?
Yes.
Oh. The kids got... Oh, wait! Be careful. I'm saying be careful and look at me. She's a villager.
Yes, villager. Villager.
Who, me? I'm a villager?
No.
Not me? Bugs everywhere. Oh, is faster than when you come, because now you know where you go. Well, I know where I'm going, but now we have to walk all the way back through the forest. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, I did. And I was shivering.
Yes, and we got good footage.
Good footage. Some kids mistakenly crashed our video, which turned out to be very, very dope.
Yep.
Very dope.
And they're behind us. Acting shy.
But they said there's a shortcut here.
Are you sure? Let's follow them. Look, we going the wrong way.
No, it's not the wrong way.
Are you guys leading us somewhere else?
So to take us to the main road, we'll go and meet this road. Yeah.
So this is a shortcut.
This is a shortcut.
Lord, look. See, look, they laughing. Oh my gosh, this is a hill.
Because we think we're lost.
Oh my gosh, this is a hill. What if I go sliding backwards? Oh my gosh.
Imagine being here and I fly my drone. I'm gonna go up. I bet you I'll get a signal.
Oh guys. I hope we are going the right way.
Why don't you guys pass it down?
So guys, overall my experience at the Wli Waterfalls, I would give it a 9 out of 10 because, you know, nothing is perfect. It was an amazing experience for me. I couldn't stop talking about it for literally like the past week. I recommend everyone who's coming to Ghana to definitely go take that. It's like a 5-hour drive outside of Accra. You pass Shai Hills. You see the monkeys on the side of the road. My only concern was the walk from the road to the waterfalls. I don't want to say I was so scared, but I wasn't trying to think of it because I'm like, what if there's like snakes, or, you know, like what if there's something in here that's, you know, that can actually hurt me. But because I wasn't trying to think of it so much, I was just like, I'm just gonna go, I'm just gonna keep going, I'm just gonna keep going, I'm not gonna look back, I'm not gonna think about it. And then come to find out, my friend Isaac, who's in the video, told me there was a huge black cobra. There's something in the bushes.
Yeah.
So if you fast forward in the video, I said that, oh my gosh, there's something in the bushes. Like I hear something in the bushes.
Pray we make it out of here.
As I was saying that, if you also noticed, he paused. He was talking. He was giving me a little history about Kumasi and the history. He paused. He stopped talking. Why? Because he was watching the cobra like slowly move up the rock. But it was so crazy how I automatically knew, like I felt it in my soul, like there's something in here. Not just hearing it, but I'm like, I feel an energy, like I feel it. I'm very in tune with my energy, you know what I mean? So I felt it. But anyways, highly recommend, go to Wli Waterfalls, 5 hours out, if you're ever in Ghana. Also, a suggestion, bring comfortable clothing, a bathing suit. You don't really need a towel because I dried off as I was walking back. Bring comfortable shoes. If it's sneakers, I wore my Crocs. They were good because I was able to get it wet and then clean them off in the water. So yeah, highly recommend. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to, you know, create better content this time around, guys. Be more intentional with the content that I'm creating. And I would like to grow my YouTube channel. So I'm asking my YouTube family to please help me get and reach the goals that I have set this year. By the end of this year, I want to reach a specific number. I'm not limited to it, but that's just a goal of mine. So what am I suggesting, instead of doing long-term, like yearly, you can do yearly goals, but like try to break it down monthly. So each month I want to hit a specific goal. And help me get there. Share this video, comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, comment down below anything you guys want to see, any excursions that I should go on. Yeah, that's all. Don't forget, subscribe.